Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how you can catch this angry lionfish in Fish It. So the angry lionfish is one of the epic fish in Fish It Roblox. And I'm going to show you the spiky reef location, the best line tension bills, or the best rod and bobber combo through this video. So for the angry lionfish, you can fish it in the ancient ruin, as you guys can see in here. So you can just go to this two spots that I'm going to show you. The first one, you can go fish at this one, this corners right here. And the second one is the cross of this one. You can just go here. So this is my another favorite spot in ancient ruin. And I'm using the element rod with singularity bait to get this angry lionfish. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.